Night falls on Dar es Salaam, shadows and rain. The air whispers tales of unrest. I watch from a rooftop with my heart aching. My voice rises, a plea. I see resilience, people helping each other. Children find solace, soldiers stand by. This is our cry, Tanzania. From streets to villages. Our flag, hope against the sky, and our spirit. Candles rise with tiny flames in darkness. Each light a prayer for peace, unity. This is our nation's heart. My voice swells, raw emotion, tears reflecting pain and hope. Every note a plea for understanding. African dancers move with grace, peace and unity. A choir sings a harmony soaring towards Kilimanjaro. Kilimanjaro, a silent witness, our spirit. Uhuru reminds us freedom is within reach, a promise. I raise my hand, unwavering faith. Love will win. Tanzania, to my home. The sun rises, so does our hope, painting peace.